Okay, unmute कर mute yourself. Firstly, or switch. The tailstock is located on the inner base at the right hand on the bed. This is the half section we will show here. Tailstock has two main uses, that it is used for supporting the right end of the workpiece, and it is also used for holding and feeding the tools such as drills, reamer, and taps, etc. So don't use as a main that it is support the job for the lengthy job, and second use it can use for the drilling purpose to or reaming or tapping purpose. Tailstock. It is a non-rotating support but can be moved left or right along the inner guideways to adjust the length of the workpiece. Carriage. This I already explained, yesterday. The different part of the carriage is this. There is a carriage is mounted on the saddle. Saddle is mounted rested on the guideways, and it has a main part like cross slide, compound rest, tool post, then apron. These are the different parts. Saddle, it is in H shape, where its bed slides along the bedways. It carries the cross slide and tool post. Cross slides is mounted on the carriage. It carries compound rest and the tool post. Yes, sir. Word I put motion physically put a lathe machine. I check with it. It gives crossfit, and you can ask me. It gives crossfit to the cutting tool in the direction perpendicular to the axis rotation, thus vary the depth or cut facing end surface. End surface. Compound rest located on the top of the cross slide and is used to support the cutting tool. It can be swiveled at any angle for taper turning operation, including manually. Apron attached to the saddle, and it is gears, control lever, clutch for moving carriage. Next is tool post. This is a type of tool post. This is single point cutting tool post. You can accommodate only single point cutting tool post. It can be rotated so that cutter is held in correct position required the job. The previous of the type of tool post are single screw tool post, and tool is clamped by clamping screw. You can watch here what is the single screw tool post.
Types of tool post. In this video, we will discuss about the types of tool post and its function. Tool post. There are four types of tool post.
No. Bus.
This tool post is used to hold single tool only. The tool is clamped by clamping screw. Open side tool post. The tool is held by a set of screws. The height of the cutting point can be adjusted by using parallel packing strips. 4-bolt tool post. 2 bolts can be held in position by 2 straps and 4 bolts. The tool height is adjusted by placing parallel strips under the tool. 4-way tool post.
This is the 4-way tool post. Here you can accommodate 4 tools.
By separate sets of screws, and locking bolt is located at the center.
So this is the first, that is single screw tool post. It is only single screw here. Second, open side tool post. In open side also there can be a 2 or 3 screw, but here and here, but here is only a single tool, that is open type tool post. Third is 4 bolt tool post. This type of tool post having 4 bolts. One like this way, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Tool can be held. Fourth is called 4-way tool post. All tool posts shown in that video, but here they are picture. This is the 4-way tool post. There are the 4-way, and you can accommodate 4 numbers cutting tool on the tool post. Tool post, the major use of the tool post to hold the cutting tool. They will come cutting tool. So Lathe cutting tool. So the tool post is used to hold a cutting tool. So Lapa my single point, you can do the turning, facing, chamfering, taper turning. All this operation we can do by this type of tool post. Now lead screw. Lead screw with a few threads per inch used for cutting thread. It has an accurate thread. This question they asked in the exam. Repeat the last time. Same I'm repeating. It has included 29 degree for easy engagement and disengagement of the half nut. Half nut on this carriage, and run this lead screw, which carry the carriage. Everywhere there is nut and bolt mechanism, screw mechanism, screw and nut. Apron mechanism. Chuck. Chuck is a accessory which is used to hold a job holding devices. Chuck are used to hold a workpiece of short length and large diameter on the irregular shape. This is attached to the lathe spindle, and a work is held between the jaw of the chuck. Some of the commonly used chucks are 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw independent chuck, magnetic chuck, and collet chuck. These are the types of the chuck which are used to hold a job on the lathe machine. So some drill chuck and a socket some use the paper to hold a drill holding devices. These are similar way. This 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw independent chuck, magnetic chuck, and collet chucks are used to hold a job on the lathe machine into the lathe spindle. Spindle is the main rotating axis. So we will clamp them. This is the 3-jaw chuck. You just watch this video.
3-jaw universal chuck. In this video, we will discuss 3-jaw universal chuck. It is the important work holding device in the lathe. Chucks are used to hold workpieces in a lathe. Three-jaw chucks are used to hold round and hexagonal work. Main parts of 3-jaw chucks are body, jaw, bevel cheek, scroll disc, workpiece. Chuck key workpiece is fitted in between the jaws of the chuck.
Okay, this is the 3-jaw chuck. Inside mechanism they are shown in the picture. Stall kit up through a back plate and there are jaws. So bevel tips, scroll disc, body, these are the jaw. Next is 4-jaw chuck. This is another name of this chuck is called independent jaw chuck. 4-jaw independent means every jaw is a independent and it has to traverse independent. In their case, it's a universal means एक console type it come all gradually. together and you can center the job very easily. But in this type of job, four job independent job, we have to put down the all each and every job equally and center the job. It has a concentric circle, jaw, body, and inside it has a jaw screw, body, and jaw. If you want, you can watch this video.
Four jaw independent chuck. In this video, we will discuss four jaw universal chuck. Parts are body, jaw. This chuck has four jaw. Jaw, deep cut. Jaws have rotating screw which measures with the deep cut on the underside of the jaw. Workpiece. Each jaw can be moved independently.
When you're making your job center, no, in practical you have to follow this all concentric circle. Okay,
Inscribed for the
concentric
quick
circle, एक
centering
एक circle
of
मुकार के ऊपर all four equally you have to bring out close. भाई तक grip डाल के you have to tight it and you have to check with the surface gauge. And surface gauge लापा जाने कोना पर तार तो टच जाता गैप करके वाला भी डालो ना अब टच जाता तो ले opposite side लूज करो tight करो. Take care lathe machine में practical होती है. Otherwise, you will not able to do the practical. First job is you have to concentrate to your job on the fourth chuck. This is a magnetic chuck. This chuck has a magnets. As a job लापास on magnet on करो. So job हमको hold करना है. मैं तो पढ़. Then you can do the operation. This job can be held by means of magnetic chuck. Workpiece held position due to the magnetic power. The main disadvantage is that only magnetic metal can be held in the this chuck. Plastic is lava man. Plastic wood you cannot put because it is not magnetic. But the ferrous metal you can attach. But aluminum and copper you can't attach. Okay. So all the magnetic metal can machine on the magnetic chuck. Another type of called collet chuck. Collet also equal होता है. एक हम collet में है. This you can watch this video.
Collet chuck. In this video, we will discuss the collet chuck. Collet chuck are used for folding bar stock in production work. Collet, thin cylindrical machine, slot cut. Collet chuck is attached to the spindle. Workpiece. Collet chuck provides a quick setting of workpiece. Accurate centering is achieved. Different sizes of collets are used for holding different sizes of bar stock.
These are the differentiate of the 3-jaw chuck and 4-jaw chuck. The depth of the cut is comparatively less in the case of 3-jaw chuck. If you are working on the 4-jaw chuck lathe, no injector type blow pipe. Workpiece cannot be set for the eccentric turning. Here, you cannot do the eccentric. Eccentric turning means if you want to do the turning offset to the center. Okay, center line on the offset of point. Take eccentric turning. Engine crank shaft को नहीं बोला. Engine crankshaft असं असतं म्हणजे डाऊन होता परत असं येतं परत अप होता परत डाऊन. It is eccentric. त्याची कनेक्टिंग रॉड आपण ते डाऊन पोर्शन वयता पळय थिंग घायला असतं. And it is from this center to this center there is some eccentric offset a central eccentric. Such type of turning you can do it on the independent chuck. That is 4 jaw independent. We cannot do on the 3 jaw chuck. Correct? 4 jaw chuck centering accuracy better than the 3 jaw chuck. So accurate करपाला better than the 3 jaw chuck. It has a less gripping power. It has a more gripping power. 4 jaw chuck. Setting up work is simple. Setting up work is not easy. This is the only one disadvantage that in the 4 jaw chuck. Otherwise, rest all is good. Only the setting time is required little more compared to the 3 jaw chuck. 3 jaw chuck opposite of the set at. But here, when you go to job set or do your job, it takes time. Make the set dollar, then you can do the operation. Heavier job cannot be done, heavier job can be done. And good all-round chuck for the common round work need common precision and excellent for repair work. Slower and more difficult to use for the repeat work, but more versatile. So this is the difference between the both the chuck. Next part is headstock. We already discussed on the headstock. On the step cone pulley. This is the step cone type pulley shown here. This is the bigger diameter. This is small diameter. Okay, this is a counter shaft cone pulley, headstock cone pulley. This is the drive from the motor. So this is a bigger diameter. This is smaller. So your leg speed is more here. This is small. This is more. Your leg speed is less. This way you can adjust the leg speed.